How to uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can uninstall apps on an Android phone that doesn't uninstall, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the apps that don't uninstall on on your Android are the ones that come with the system. So you can see that there are some applications like Gemini over here, or maybe other applications like Google and so on that doesn't uninstall. There is no uninstall button because they came with the system. Now while there is the way to do it, it's a long way. You have to run the ADB commands and root your phone if you don't want to use the ADB stuff, but we won't do that. A simple thing that I would say, if you are a normal user who don't want to see that app on your home list, you can just disable that app, and it will not take that much of space as to the time that it's taking now. But before you disable it, go to storage, try to clear cache and clear the storage. That will completely delete the data. Then disable the app. Anytime you want to re-enable it, you can come to settings. Otherwise, as long as it's there, it will remain disabled. So I hope that the video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.